It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I have some goodies right here in front of me that I got from Amazon. All right, if you love these nails, definitely check out the live that I did on Sunday. I created these on Jarrell, so definitely check it out if you want to see how I did that look. All right, so in this Amazon haul, all right, I got a couple of new things and a couple of old things. All right, so these bad boys are right here. Okay, I had these before, I love them, so I bought some more. All right, this particular set, it has 80 and 100, so both sides are different, which is cool. You can kind of buff it out with the rough side, then go to the smooth side, you know. And it came with some little files, so that's great. Okay, so I got some of these. Then I got, I know y'all don't say nothing about it, I got some more drill bits. I told y'all I'm trying to fine tune my prep and my finish filing. So I got more of these bad boys, but anything I don't keep, I will include in my giveaway. So the more y'all see me buy, just know y'all gonna get some stuff in the giveaway, okay? So these are new. All right, this is my first time purchasing this product. Something I've been wanting for a while, and I just said, let me just go and order. Let me just go and do it, okay? So I'm gonna open them up on the camera for y'all. And I looked at a couple of these and I decided to grab these. Some other ones that I saw, the reviews weren't that great. And when I tried to do some sugaring the other day, it just didn't work out how I wanted it to. So I decided to get some liners to kind of help me out with that. Golly. So I picked these up, okay? So I really wanted to make sure that I got a white and a black and then some other colors that I thought would be cute. They have a bunch of different sets, but this one just kind of spoke to me and what I would like to use and create. So I make sure I put the links to this stuff in the description bar, okay, so that you can go check these items out. Then I got some goodies from Tammy Taylor. Tammy Taylor does have a Amazon store, okay? And if you shop on the Tammy Taylor website, the stuff on the Tammy Taylor Amazon page is a little cheaper. So that's why I just got them from Amazon. I got the files that I like and the buffers that I like. And I like that I got a couple of extra of the little sticks. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show y'all one. These are the buffers. And lately I've been cutting them in half and using them like that. And it helps because this is 50 of the files and I think 25 of the buffers. So cutting them in half, that'll be great for 50 clients. And then the files look like this. They have them in 180 and 100, but I get the 100 kind. These are the 180s, and I'm just using these up right now because I had already ran out of the 100. And let me see. This is what the 100 looks like. It's pink. So yeah, y'all, had to re-up on some nail goodies. Now I got some stuff that's for like the filming process. I got 2 new phone stands. So we're gonna open these up and see what they can do for us. Okay, so we got the piece that goes on the table. We got the piece that the phone goes on. And we got the little doohickey right here. All right. And we don't have no instructions. So I got to figure out how to put this together. Alrighty then. Yeah, y'all. How this go together? I don't really know. Do it go through here or something? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how this go, y'all. Give me a second. Okay, I had to look on Amazon for a picture and all that, so I screwed this part on onto this. This is the one that has the little doohickey on it. All right. Now, to tighten this up, you twist these like that, and I figured out in order to move this part, this has to be loose a little bit. So I want to slide this one in here, and you can move it. Well, I was able to. You can move it when both sides are loose. So let's do it like that and like that. Okay. And to put the phone on, I'm going to use this one. On this one, I could put a ring light. So I'm going to put the ring light feature on this side. And the phone, how do I want to do it? No. Let's do this. Let's put this over here and then put this over here. Let's try that. Okay. So this, of course, comes in and out. So let's see what this can do for us. Okay, so I got the new stand set up, and let me reach it out a little bit. Definitely a different view. Definitely closer. So we might be able to do a little some with this. I do want it. I feel like I can barely see. Let me slide it back a little bit. So if I'm working like this, y'all should be able to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get some close-up footage for y'all. So yeah, I play around with some camera angles and see how I like this stand, but I figured it out. So now let's open up the other one. I don't quite remember what this looks like, but we shall see. I think this one is kind of like the one I already have. They got a lot of stuff crammed into this box. This one is kind of like the one that I already have, that kind of mechanical arm situation. So I pretty much already know what this one can do for me. I could just probably maybe put it in a different place to get some different camera angles for y'all and stuff like that. So let me set this one up, or should I set this one up? I don't know if I'm gonna set this one up, y'all, but let's go back to where we were. So now we are back at this top view. So yeah, I think I might just keep this one like this. I think I'm gonna try the other one out since I kind of know how this one works and everything. But that's what I ordered. Some staples, some new stuff, and some more stands so that I can, you know, fine tune my lighting, my phone position, and all that good stuff. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this kind of short little Amazon haul. Definitely leave me some comments. Let me know kind of how you have your nail stations or nail desk set up if you film nails. I'm trying to get some better angles, like some kind of close-up shots, so that y'all can really see what I'm doing. I love this overview, but sometimes when I'm trying to hold the nails downward so that the product can flow down, I feel like y'all can't really see it. So give me some comments, give me some suggestions, because I'm making this content for y'all. Okay, so leave this video a big old thumbs up. Okay, always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.